I never fry Korean pancakes anymore. Baking them is healthier and perfect even for vegans. You can have it as an appetizer, snack, or light lunch. Hi, I'm Sencha. Today we're making hobakjang, Korean zucchini pancakes. In Korean, hobak means zucchini and jang means savory pancakes. Traditionally, these are fried one by one in a pan, but I'm going to show you how to bake them instead. It's way healthier, no messy oil splashes, and way less work in the kitchen. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need: veggies, batter, dipping sauce. Let's prep our vegetable first. Start by cutting off the ends with a knife. Then using a vegetable slicer, cut your zucchini into 1/4-inch thick medallions and transfer all the pieces into a bowl. Next, peel and cut the onion in half, then slice them into half-moon shapes. These shapes look great and cook evenly. Finally, chop the green onions diagonally. First, we're going to saute our vegetable, then mix them into the batter. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in your pan. Then add the zucchini and onions. Season with salt and pepper and sauteed until slightly browned. Stir occasionally for even cooking. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the liquid to sweat out. Don't overcook them or they get mushy. Switch off the heat and add the green onions and mix them and set them aside to cool. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cornmeal, salt and pepper to taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Gradually add the water while mixing until you get a smooth batter with no lumps. Next, fold in those beautiful sauteed vegetables and mix everything until it's well combined and every piece is coated with batter. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and oil your baking pan well for that crispy bottom. Spread the batter evenly across the pan and flatten it with your hand or with a spatula. Drizzle oil all over the top, making sure to cover the surface. Then sprinkle extra cornmeal for that perfect crunch. Bake it for 40 minutes at 200 degrees. Then at 230 degrees for extra 5 minutes for that golden crispiness. While the pancakes are baking, let's make our dipping sauce. First, let me get all my ingredients ready and organized so we can make this step by step together. Now, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon gochugaru, 1 teaspoon sesame seed, and spring onions. Let's try this. I nailed it. Ooh, it's ready. Let's go check it out. Listen to this crispiness. I'm gonna flip it over and cut it into square pieces. For nice presentation, I'm using parchment paper. Serve it with the dipping sauce. Some garnish on top. Look at this crispy perfection. One big batch done all at once in the oven. It's healthier, lighter, and equally delicious. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.